Move up, move up. Cover me, I'm going right. Dan, get down.
It's cool, I made it.
Get forward a bit more.
Yeah, I think we'll get forward a bit more.
Who's got a good throwing arm?
Not me, you? I'm too fat to lift my arm, that's the problem.
Alright, fine, excuse.
Yes, I got him.
Falling down on the bar. Oh, fuck.
I'm gonna call you fat cunt. Stay down.
I'm trying.
Done. Wait. You out? Oh. Pass it. No worries, buddy. I was like, shit, have I got it on full auto? So they're slowly starting to breach because you got that close. See you later. Come on, I'm hitting your GoPro fucking camera. There we go.
I'm about to fucking stand up, I said hey! Calm down! I can't stand up when he's shooting in the head. Well, you can shout here, he's in here to my parents. Did I shout it? Calm down. Let me stand up, because you got me. Calm down.
That's three. That's four now I've killed.
Oh,
I'm in the zone. I don't know, but I've got a bounty on my head, I know that much.
James, is that you?
No.
Too close, Bobby.
Sorry. Shot him.
Before they can fight, let's get as close as we can.
Well, that geezer was just sat in there and I was just looking at him.
Look at that, look at that.
Oh.